Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. On June 30th, 2013, 19 of Prescott's Granite Mountain Hotshots made the ultimate sacrifice, giving up their lives battling the Yarnell Hill fire. Next Monday, June 30th at 1 p.m., the Granite Mountain Interagency Hotshot Crew Learning and Tribute Center, located in the Pine Ridge Marketplace, will host a ceremony marking the 12th anniversary of the Hotshot tragedy, followed by a 7th anniversary celebration of the opening of the center. Also on Monday, June 30th at 4:42 p.m., Yavapai County will mark the 12th anniversary by ringing the courthouse bells 19 times in honor of the fallen heroes. There will be no public program or comments. This is intended to be a quiet moment of reflection. Please be sure to visit the Granite Mountain Hotshots Memorial on the east side of the Yavapai County Courthouse Plaza, adjacent to Cortez Street near Union Street. The memorial was dedicated last year in 2024 and stands as a year-round tribute to the 19 brave heroes. Citizens are invited to attend an open house meeting for the Prescott Regional Airport on the proposed shift and extension of the Primary Runway 3 right, 21 left. The two scheduled meetings will take place Wednesday, June 25th and Thursday, June 26th from 4 to 7 p.m. at Prescott Centennial Center facility located at 1989 Wineglass Drive. Airport staff invites citizens to learn more and share their feedback about this exciting new project. The proposal is to shift runway 3 right, 21 left to the northeast by approximately 1,000 linear feet. This would relocate the runway further east from Highway 89. The proposed shift would relocate the existing departure end of the runway by 780 linear feet. In turn, this shift will enable commercial service operators to clear the one-engine and operable splay area without the current obstructions. The proposed shift would also allow aircraft to fly over Deepwell Ranch and Pinyon Oak subdivisions at a higher altitude, providing safer operations and to help mitigate noise in these areas by potentially offering quieter operations. For more information about the open house meetings or the proposed project, contact Airport Administration at 928-777-1114. During the 1 p.m. study session tomorrow, City staff will make a presentation regarding the Willis Street traffic and warrant study for Council to discuss. This item is to evaluate the section of Willis Street between Montezuma and McCormick regarding ways to potentially improve pedestrian and vehicular safety. Several important items will be considered at the Council voting meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. First of all, Council will vote to adopt the fiscal year 2026 budget, expenditure limitation, and tax levy. Council will also discuss the updated general plan and associated ballot language for a potential vote to move the general plan forward to the November ballot. Historically, the City Council takes a few weeks off during the peak of the summer. Consequently, there are currently no other scheduled city meetings for the rest of this month. The City of Prescott, in conjunction with their contractor Sunland Asphalt and Construction, has begun the next round of pavement preservation work, which will impact traffic patterns in the affected areas. Roads affected are Gail Gardner, Fair Street, Iron Springs Road, Willow Lake Road, and Williamson Valley Road. Fog seal is a pavement preservation treatment that helps to extend the functional life cycle of asphalt pavement by deterring oxidation and water intrusion. During the application, one lane of traffic will remain accessible in each direction as the work progresses. Please observe temporary lane restrictions, reduced speed limits, and flagging operations. Motorists should anticipate delays and plan alternative routes or allow additional time for travel through the project areas. Access to businesses and residences will be preserved whenever feasible. However, temporary restrictions may occur during these operations. On-street parking is restricted during the project, and do not drive on the fog seal material until cones and/or traffic control are removed. A door hanger with more detailed information will be delivered to those businesses and residents directly affected by the work. This project is weather sensitive, but work is expected to be completed by Friday, June 27th. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is currently seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on the following city boards, commissions, and committees: the Fire Board of Appeals, 2 vacancies and 1 short-term seat to fill a vacancy. Applicants must be a Prescott resident. The Tourism Advisory Committee has 1 vacancy. City of Prescott residency is not required. The Civic Enhancement Committee has 1 vacancy. City of Prescott residency is not required. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the Council Subcommittee on Appointments, following review of applications. Applications are due to the City by 5 p.m. on Friday, July 11th, 2025. For more information, visit the City's website at City of Prescott Boards, Commissions, and Committee Vacancies, or contact the City Clerk's office at 928-777-1437. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Please remember that we are still under Stage 1 fire restrictions. Thank you for watching.